Hello everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video I'm going to tell you why split test matters. So I have a specific campaign I'm going to show you today, and in that campaign there are drastic differences where I could have missed out on a lot of money, because the control is usually what the campaign we call, which we are testing against. The control was profitable. So I'm going to show you the image now. On the top, the first campaign, this is a screenshot from my tracker. So the names are obviously blurred out because you only have to see the data which is behind it. The top campaign, which had 3,667 clicks that day, was the control. That was already profitable, but it was declining. So I was looking for a new offer to test against this offer to see if that landing page might convert better. So I actually found two. One, which they're both from a different network. One which is exactly the same as the other one. It's the same publisher behind it, so it's the same offer owner. They are both identical. The other offer looks a little bit different, the landing page. So the bottom one actually is the one which has 407 clicks. It has that little clicks because I slowly turned it off because the EPC was not high enough relatively to the other offer. As you can see, the same offer on a different network had a 3-cent higher EPC. And you might say, like, what is 3 cents? But that's per click. On this day, I sent about 6,600 clicks to this offer. It's not much money, but imagine sending 10 or 100,000 clicks to this offer. It matters. Those small differences matter. But obviously, when you look at the split test in the middle, so I told my tracker to divide the traffic. I think I did 50% to the top, and then 25%. And then at the end of the day, after dinner, I changed it to 100% to this offer. Because the EPC, the earnings per click, are 3 times as high as the other offer, because the conversion rate is 3 times as high. The payout was the same. What you realize is that if I did not do this, I'm missing out immensely. Like, I run this campaign on, I think, about 400 a day in ad spend. Normally the ROI is like, maybe I have like 600 or 800 in revenue, which is really good. But right now, like yesterday, I had, I think, 1,600. No, that was today so far. So as you can imagine, like the day right now, it's, I think, 2 p.m. Yeah, 2 p.m. So it's like more than half the day is passed, but like I've already doubled the revenue. So the profit right now is insane because the conversion rate is that good, the EPC is that high. Now all I'm looking for, if I scale this offer, is the EPC stable. So I gave it a little bit of a scale today, about 20% in total traffic, and the traffic which yesterday went to the other offers. So instead of today, like 8,000 to 10,000 clicks will go to this offer, and the EPC is even higher today. So it's not much different. I think it's like 18.9, but still it's really good. It is stable. So I asked the affiliate manager what is required for me to scale this even more, because this is right now it's about, I think, between 200 to 400 ROI. I didn't do the exact calculations, but if I can do this like on $1,000 a day, obviously like it's a gold mine, right? And then I have so many other offers to test. But I just want to let you know, although an offer is profitable, we usually don't split test, just like I did, until it's declining or it's completely dead. In this scenario, I was fortunate enough to have time to do a split test and find the offers. And even while the other offer was profitable, the split test offer was 3 times as profitable. So had I ran this for the beginning, I probably made, because I've ran this offer for quite a while, about a month now on high volume. So I probably missed out on like $20,000 to $50,000 just for choosing the wrong offer. Or is it wrong? I just didn't know. But now I know, and we can make some more money. So I just wanted to show you with these details how important it is to split test. You might not lose money, but you might miss out on potential money if you don't. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.